Hello and welcome back to our channel excelexperthat.com. In our basic video series, we are going to see our next topic, but before proceeding ahead, let's recap what we have learned in our past 3 videos. First video, basic introduction, how to save the file, how to work with column and rows, how to fill, drag and general handle work. In basic video 2, we have seen autofill sequence, add as default autofill sequence, or you can say autofill list, basics of filters, round, round up and round down of the number, relative, absolute reference method. In bonus tip we have seen how to work with multiple sheets. In basic video 3 we have learned how to copy and paste data, how to use flash fill, how to use hyperlink and how to join the text. In today's video guys, we are going to cover conditional formatting, data validation and slicer together. So let's begin. Before proceeding ahead, please do watch our other series of video where we have shared our all Excel knowledge in depth and detail. So let's begin guys. Our first topic is conditional formatting. In conditional formatting, it's a feature in many spreadsheet applications that allows you to apply specific formatting to cells and meet certain criteria. It is most often used as color-based formatting to highlight, emphasize, or differentiate among data and information stored in the spreadsheet. Let's say you have a worksheet with thousands of rows and columns of data. It would be extremely difficult to see patterns and trends just from examining the raw information, similar to charts and sparkle. Conditional formatting provides another way to visualize data and make worksheets easier to understand. To do this, you shall need to create a conditional formatting rule. So how to create a rule? Let's see guys. So let's see conditional formatting. For the conditional formatting, we have prepared some table here. In this table, we have put department names and their monthly revenues in the horizontal column. So here, these are the revenues generated by the individual department in the individual month. So now I need to format this table or put a conditional formatting to this table with the various requirements. Like see how to apply a conditional formatting to this table. Let's select this table. Remember, before applying the rule, we have to select the number of rows from single cell to the multiple cell. You can select and then put a conditional formatting. So how to put the conditional formatting? Go to the home button, then conditional formatting, and here all the options of conditional formatting are available, starting from the highlight cell rules. So here we can highlight the greater than rule. Click on greater than. Here I will put, there is a already predefined text is there. I will delete that and I will put whatever is greater than 225, it should highlight. So here you can see guys, some cells are highlighting which are more than 225. So here with, you can see there are some color formatting is already provided by the Excel. So if you click on the next color formatting, you can see there are some formats are given. From here custom format, you can change the format of color, its number, font, border, fill, everything you can change it. So click OK and here the values more than 225 are displaying. To remove the formatting, just select the formatting which already applied, go to conditional formatting and go to clear rules. In the clear rules, you can clear rules from selected cells or clear rules from entire sheet. So be precautious guys, if you click on this, entire sheet formatting will be removed and it is not easily retractable. So click on clear rules from selected cells and rules are whatever the conditional formatting we have applied earlier has been removed. Go back to conditional formatting again, see next rule which is less than. Same rule guys, if anything less than 100 it has to highlight. Here it is highlighting. See the next rule which is in between. So select the cells again, see what is the next rule. Next highlight cell rule is in between. So in between, click on that and check what is the in between rule. So I will select whatever it is in between 250 and 200, it should highlight. So here you can see guys, 234 values are highlighting because it is in between 200 and 250. Let's see the next rule. Keep the cells are selected, highlight rule equals to. In the equals to, if exactly you need to have the match, you can see the exact match is highlighting. So this is equal to rule. Next rule is text that contains. Okay, so if I will select this text, go to conditional formatting, go to highlight cell rules and select text that contains. So whatever that contains, like if any letter, G letter is contained, so that text can highlight. E letter, so E letter is available into this cell. You can select a particular text also. So design, I'm searching, or you can say quality, I can search. So here you must have noticed, guys, only single word also can be searchable, or any 2-3 words are also you can search, or entire sentence, or you can say entire words also you can search in this one. So this is text search. Escape everything, select the cells again, go to conditional formatting and next rule, a date occurring. These are the dates in between, you can say. This one is very useful in Excel, which is duplicate values. If this cell has any duplicate value, it will highlight. Click on this. These are the values are duplicate. So you can say 345 is duplicate, 234 and 234 is duplicate. So this way this function works. So now we will see our next conditional formatting. Select the number of cells, go to conditional formatting. Here top and bottom rules are also given. These are the default rules. So I will click on top 10 rules. So here these are the top 10 values from the entire table. So this is the top 10 rules. Next, select conditional formatting, go to top and bottom rules, top 10%. If you select this, these are the top 10% in between two. You can go to conditional formatting again, go to bottom 10 items, also searchable. So this way, guys, you can click or select every cell and highlight the cells which are useful for you, which are formulas are useful for you. Now data bars. Data bars is nothing but you can put a data bar formatting. What data bar formatting exactly does? It actually takes all the values and take the maximum value out of it, and maximum value is 678, and with this 678 it utilizes that cell as a percentage bar, and it is showing that 678 is a 100%, and on the basis of this 100%, each and every cell data it is showing up as a progress bar. Like 234 is a part of 678 is just up to here, so it is showing the progress bar or percentage progress bar up to here. Let's check. If I will change this value to 678 and click enter, you will see this one has completed the progress bar. If I will put this value to 1000, let's see what happened with the 678. So put 1000 and enter. You will see on the comparison of this cell, it has been changed. The entire data or entire progress bar has been changed. So this is the most useful, or you can say frequently useful, conditional formatting. Select the entire data again, go to conditional formatting and clear the rules, because we like to see the next rules which are in the data bar. Here are the other data formats like solid fields. These are the gradient fields. These are just the color difference in the color, guys, nothing else. So you can utilize this data bar to show the progress or percentage of the value in the entire cell itself. Color scale. So let's see the next conditional formatting. Select the cell, go to conditional formatting and select color cell. Color cell, you can check the different type of colors patterns are there. You can see here green, yellow, red color scale. Apply a color gradient to a range of cells. The color indicates where each cell value falls within that range. So select the range. Here you will see Excel itself has arranged the range or calculated the range of the numbers and given the particular color code to the particular number which is coming in between to the range. Like here 10 you have a same color, 20, 19 and 22 has the same color. So these numbers are close to each other, so their color pattern is same. Like 38, 41 is close enough, so having the same color. 110, 130 and 150 has in same range but has gap in between them, number of gap in between them. So it has divided into the green color, but you can see it has divided in different green colors, the different shades of the green color. So this way you can utilize, guys, a color pattern, or you can say color scale. Icon sets. If I select the entire range of the table, go to the conditional formatting and select icon sets. If I select this set, what it shows? It shows 3 arrows. Choose a set of icon to represent the value in the selected cell. So actually these icons are showing or representing the values. So if I click on this one, you will see this entire range it is showing down. So why it is showing down? Because you can see in this range whatever other cells are coming in between are showing same down arrow. Now you can go to this one. Here it made a different range to this text, and those range it has been showing with the different arrow. So this way guys, you can utilize the icon sets. So now we will see how to create a new rules on your own rules in the Excel. Click a new rule. Here you will see new formatting rules window will pop up. Here there are 6 different types of different rules, or you can say methods you can use to apply your different rules. Like this, format all cells based on their values. So this formula actually formats the cells on their values in the cell. Format only cells that contains. So you can, whatever the cells contain, like for example cell value between 12 and 40. Format the cell, go to fill effect, I will put a green color. OK, and click OK. So whatever the cells in between 12 to 40 numbers, it will highlight in the green. So this way you can use these new rules. There are the different types of rules which we will see in the separate conditional formatting video, which will give us a lot of time or span to explain these formulas in detail. Let's see what is the next in conditional formatting. Here clear rules you have already know that clear rules from selected cells you can do, or clear rules from entire sheet. Now our sheet is just a new one. If we can even click on that one, doesn't make any problem with the entire sheet. But remember, if you have a number of formatting already, so never click on the clear rules from entire sheet, otherwise your rules will be get vanished. Next, manage rules. Manage rule is nothing but guys, whatever the rule you will create, that will come here. Like we had recently this rule, go to the conditional formatting and manage. You will see those rules are here already. So this is just a conditional formatting manager, you can say. Here you can create a new rule, edit the selected rule, or delete any rule, or duplicate a rule. Sometimes you have already formatted any rules, like this one I have already formatted, but I need to create another same as this rule, but I need to just change the color. So I will select this one, duplicate it, click on this rule, and I will just change the value here from 100 to 140, and I will change the color. Click OK, apply the rules, remember to apply them, and OK. So same duplication I can do. So this is conditional formatting guys. Now we will see what is data validation. Data validation is a feature in Excel used to control what a user can enter into a cell. For example, you could use data validation to make sure a value is a number in between 1 and 6, or like here in product 1 to product 5. Make sure a date occurs in the next 30 days, or make sure a text enter is less than 25 characters. So here the data validation guys. To access the data validation, wherever you like to put the drop down list, you need to click on the cell, go to the data, and here a data validation is there. In the data validation, click on the, here the data validation window will open. Here are the settings, input message, and error alerts are there. We will see this in the detailed video. Here in the setting, validation criteria is there. Allow, click on this drop down list, and here we will see the list only. Rest of the points, if you like to get explanation on this or want me to make a separate video, please let me know. Click on the list. Here it will ask for the source. Either you can put a source here like product 1, 2 and so on. Otherwise you can click on this icon and select the list which you have already generated and then click OK. Once you click OK guys, you can see there is a small drop down icon is popped up. Now click on this icon and here are your product lists are there. To copy the same data validation or drop down list, just drag the icon below and here in all the cells you can get the same data is fill up. You can select the data whichever you required. Now this is the one method to put the data in data validation or drop down list. Now if I will put here a product number 6, then what will happen? Click on the list, drop down, and here you will find out the product 6 is not appearing in the list. So how to solve this problem? So go back to select all the cells wherever the data validation is, or select the any cell where the drop down list is already there. Go to data validation, and in this one, while selecting the source, click on the source and select the entire column. Once you select the entire column, go back to the data validation and make sure you will click on this checkbox where apply these all changes to the remaining cells, or wherever the same data validation is applied, in those cells also you like to see this change. Click OK. Once you click OK guys, you will see here your product number 6 is in the list. So always prepare your column, always prepare your list, and then go to the data validation. If your any cell don't reflect the changes, just copy the same link which you have modified to the other links, and in the other cells you will see there is a product 6 is displaying. So this way guys, you can utilize the data validation easily and sort out your data. We will see now our next point is slicer. So what is slicer guys? Slicer are visual filters. Using a slicer, you can filter your data or pivot table or pivot chart by clicking on the type of data you want. For example guys, let's say you are looking at sales by customer profession in a pivot report, and you want to see how the sales are for a particular region. So as per the region, data gets sorted out, or product wise or agent wise also data can get sorted out within a click. How it is? Let's see. Here I have prepared a one table which showing a department, region, agent and revenue. So select the entire table and press Ctrl T. Ctrl T is guys inserting a table which we have already learned in our previous videos. So click OK. This actually enters the table in your data. Select the table anywhere, go to the insert and click on slicer. So here it will show a department, region, agent and revenue column for filtering out. So usually I like to see a region and agent together. So I will click on region and agent and click OK. Once I click OK, there will be a two window will get pop up which is actually showing me the filtering data. So this data, how to filter it? Just click on any region, like East region I am going to click, and it is showing me from agent 1 to 5 data here. So all East region having 1 to 5 agents are there, and what are their revenues are there, and which are the product lines are they have. Then North region, South region and West region. So I can click, or you can say within a click I can get the data. Like I like to cancel this selection, cancel on this icon. Here agent wise I like to see how agent 1 is performing in all the region. Click on the agent 1 and you can see in East, West, South and North how much business that agent has done. Similarly like agent 2, 3 and other agents also. So this is a slicer guys. We have explained slicer in depth and detail in our separate video. Please do watch that video. This is it for today's video guys. Please do watch our other video series also. Like basic series, we have prepared a very good video to improve your basic knowledge, or you can say start your learning from the basics, and other videos where we have explained formulas, Gantt charts, then different kind of permutation combination of formulas we have explained. That videos also please do watch. Please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon button to get the latest video notifications on time. Thanks for watching this video guys. Take care.